So for today's little project, this 2017 Ram, it doesn't have any controls to control the radio while I'm driving. So I decided to buy a kit that comes with the switches and the harness. There it is right here. And as you can see, the back side of it has these holes that you can put the controller in, or the buttons, and there's a harness that comes with it also. So here's some of the tools I might need or might not need, and we'll see how this goes today. So in order to take this steering wheel off, I got to take this off first. This is the horn slash airbag. It's held on to three clips on the back side, one on this side, one here, and one here. And let's see if I can try to show you guys what it looks like. See that little clip? I gotta get those clips off, disconnect it from this part. Should be fun. So I got the horn assembly off. Here it is. Here's the tabs that I was talking about. Anyhow, now I need to take the steering wheel off. In order to do that, I've got one of these pullers. These ends go on the back side of this plate, and then that middle screw will go right here, and then it'll pull it out. Hopefully this will do the trick. We'll see how this goes. Okay, it took some patience, but I finally got it off. I marked it because you want to make sure you put it back in the same position that you took it out. So I got it marked right there. Now, this is the harness that came off of it, and I bought a new one for it. So I'm gonna change it out and change the backside. Okay, I got the steering wheel back on with the new harness. Here's what it looks like with the buttons on it. Same thing on the other side. I'll put this back on, connect the airbag, and we'll see where we go. Okay, I got everything assembled now, steering wheel, and let's test it out. Yes, awesome. So I don't have to reach over and turn the knobs. I can switch the stations for my steering wheel, which I've been wanting since I got this truck. It's just a little convenience that I kind of take for granted now with all these new technology that these new vehicles have to offer. Anyways, something you can do in a weekend, and it's encourage it for anyone who has a Dodge to do. Anyways, y'all have a good one. Bye.